Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this tomato paste at home using tomato, red bell pepper and tatashe. So guys, I'm just going to quickly wash my tomato. Tomato is one of the food that is very hard to preserve, so each time I have them in large quantity, this is how I preserve them, and it helps to create more space in the fridge. Once I'm done rinsing the tomato, I'll cut the tomatoes into chunks. There are many ways to make tomato paste. Some people prefer to peel it and seed them off before beginning. Others prefer to leave the skin and seed and cook everything together, of which this is what I'm going to do. So once I'm done chopping my tomatoes, next I'm going to put them in the pot and allow them to cook. So you can add salt on it if you want, but I'm not going to add salt on it. So once it's cooked, next I'm going to take it out and sieve the water out. Once I'm done sieving the water, next is to blend it in the blender. So guys, be careful, this is very hot. Put them in the blender and blend them smoothly. Once I'm done, I'm going to sieve them back into the pot. So this time I'm separating the seed from the tomato because I don't want the tomato to have seed on it. So this is how it's going to look once you are done separating it. Then cover the pot and let it boil. Try to check it time to time. Stir it around to prevent the bottom of the pot from getting burnt. As the water from the tomato get dry, you see the tomato forming gently. So time to time, check it and stir it around to prevent it from burning. Once the tomato is dried up, this is how it's going to look, just like the ones you see in the market. Next is to show you how I preserve them. So first I'm going to put some of it in a jar, and then the rest of it I'm going to put them in an ice cube shape. This helped me for easy breakfast in the morning. Next I'm going to add oil at the top of the can one and then put them in the freezer. Once it's blocked, I'm going to take it out, put them in the food storage bag and put them back in the freezer. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.